Hi, I wanted to make a very short video showing you what this card does. So it's a rocker card with a pendulum on it, and the coffee cup can move independently of the large rocker card itself. And how that works is there's a pendulum mechanism. So here is the whole card itself from the side. There's a pendulum mechanism that allows then the coffee cup to move by itself. Because there's a slit in there, and it's just, when you shake the whole rocker card, then the pendulum mechanism will go, and then the coffee cup will move. So I urge you guys to see the video from Amanda that I've put in the blog post, and she'll give you a great amount of detail of how to make this and why to do certain things. Thanks for watching.